Hello guys, today I've got OneOdio FOCUS A5 and I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues. At first, take a look at your phone. You need to restart your phone at first, then unpair your headphones and try pairing your headphones back again. Of course, if you have had them paired already. If you hadn't, you need to, of course, restart your phone and perform a factory reset of your headphones. It's a complete basic thing. But, as I said, let's focus on the phone at first. So, enter the settings, of course, depending on your phone, because on your iPhone you can't do that. But on your Android phone, for example, enter these settings, and then straight from these settings, go to Apps. Then enable this tick to show System Applications and find Bluetooth. It should be in the letter B section. Tap it, scroll down to Storage, tap Storage, and tap Clear Cache. This should actually fix all your problems because sometimes it's, the Bluetooth thing. If it didn't help you and you still have got some pairing issues, you need to do something different. You need to focus on your headphones. But the first thing that you need to actually do on your headphones is pairing them with another device. Like if you are using your phone right now, try pairing it with another phone or some laptop, tablet, TV, doesn't matter. Try pairing them with just something different. And if you see that you can't pair them, the issue is located in your headphones and you need to focus on your headphones. And as I said, you need to perform the factory reset. So we'll go back to it in a moment. If you see that you can pair with your headphones, but on this another device, the second one, but you can't still pair your headphones with a former device like your private phone, something is wrong with your phone, not your headphones, and you need to contact the device support with your phone or just try to fix your phone. But let's focus on our headphones. If you still can't pair your headphones with your phone and with actually no device, there is no possibility for any connection, you need to perform a factory reset. How to do that? You need to find this button right here. This is the power button. And when your headphones are turned off, keep holding this button for 15 minutes till you hear a voice prompt, pairing. This should actually perform the factory reset and you should be able to connect. And actually, one extra tip, charge your headphones up to 100%, leave them actually for a couple of minutes, like 30 minutes, even 40, and then check if it works. Actually, to have your battery calibrated and have your headphones restarted, you should actually now let your battery discharge to live a full cycle, but I don't really think that this is an issue that could be fixed with the battery. So yeah, that's it. Bye.